Are you searching for the best new exercise bike? After exhaustively researching all of the top-rated models on the market, we purchased 9 for side-by-side testing. Our selection includes a diverse assortment of reasonably priced home exercise bikes with upright, recumbent, semi-recumbent, and under-desk models. Over the course of several weeks, we tested each model during at-home workouts of varying lengths and intensities. There are many products available to choose the best 5 budget exercise bikes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 budget exercise bikes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike with Pulse. The Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright is an inexpensive semi-recumbent exercise bike with a convenient folding design. This bike provides a quality workout experience at nearly half the cost of the competition, with a simple and no-frills design that gets the job done. It has 8 smooth and quiet magnetic resistance levels for workouts ranging from easy to moderate in difficulty. The simple console has an LCD display and a single button to control your workout information. The large padded seat was reasonably comfortable, and it has padded handles around the console with integrated heart rate sensors. The simple folding design significantly reduces its footprint when not in use and can easily fit in a closet or the corner of your room. It is also relatively lightweight and has integrated transport wheels, making it quite easy to move around. The Exerputic Folding Magnetic seems a lot more like a semi-recumbent than a proper upright style bike despite having upright in its name. It has a somewhat relaxed seated position, and you can't get off the seat and stand while pedaling the way you can on a true upright or spin bike model. Testers also found its resistance range somewhat limited, making this bike unsuitable for high-intensity workouts. Beyond that, we feel this is a very reasonably priced and convenient option if you're tight on storage space. Number 2. Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike. The Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike is an affordable upright spin-style model. It features a belt-driven 35 pounds weighted flywheel with an infinite resistance adjustment range. It looks and feels like a spin bike you might ride at the gym, offered at a reasonable price. The considerable resistance range suits riders of all fitness levels or workout intensities. It boasts a fairly high comfort level with a quality seat and a good range of seat and handlebar height adjustment. The assembly process is straightforward, and the unit is easy enough to move around on its transport wheels. The steel frame is sturdy, and this bike is stable no matter how hard you jam on the pedals. It also comes with useful features like cage pedals, a device shelf, and a bottle cage. While we liked most things about the Yasuda, it lost a little ground to the competition for its relatively basic design. This includes the display, which, while functional, only shows one data field at a time. It also has no programmed workouts or connectivity, so it is entirely up to you to control your training. Regardless, we still feel this is a quality spin bike option that gets the job done at a reasonable price. Number 3. Marcy Recumbent Mi709. For a simple and effective recumbent exercise bike offered at a very reasonable price, look no further than the Marcy Mi709. This affordable model boasts a high comfort level with an easy step-through design, a large padded seat and backrest, and a padded handlebar. It has 8 magnetic resistance levels and is best suited for exercise in the light to moderate intensity range. The display is nothing fancy, but it shows pertinent workout information with relatively intuitive controls. The Mi709 is adjustable for length to accommodate a broad user height range. Plus it has transport wheels, a smaller footprint, and a lower weight than other recumbents we have tested. We found the Marcy Mi709 to have a somewhat limited resistance range. Those with an already high fitness level or who seek a more intense workout may want to look elsewhere. It is also a relatively basic, no-frills model that lacks the more expensive competition's bells and whistles. While it may not be feature-packed, it is easy to use and provides a consistent, quality workout. We feel this inexpensive model is perfect for anyone on a budget who doesn't require fancy features or super high resistance levels and prefers the recumbent style. Number 4. Desk Cycle Under Desk Exerciser. For the desk cycle, convenience is the name of the game. This tiny pedal exerciser fits under a desk at work to help sedentary office workers burn calories while improving their fitness and overall well-being. However, it isn't only for use under a desk, as you can easily use this compact and lightweight machine anywhere you can sit and have your legs free. reading a book, watching TV, you name it. This exerciser is a great way to multitask and improve your time efficiency. It has 8 levels of magnetic resistance with a decent range of difficulty that should be more than adequate for users seeking the convenience of an exerciser like the desk cycle. Testers were pleasantly surprised by this model's quality of exercise, despite its diminutive stature. The magnetic resistance is also very quiet and creates minimal noise distraction when used in the office or your home. It is also the most portable and storable option we've ever used due to its small size and impressively lightweight. While we love the convenience of the under-desk style, the nature of its design limits its exercise quality. We found it best suited for light to moderate intensity exercise, and it simply can't provide a high-intensity workout. Also, some users may require an adjustable height desk or chair, so factor in the fit when considering using the desk cycle under a desk. Beyond that, we think this option offers a convenient and unobtrusive way to help improve your overall health and fitness at your home or office. Number 5. Schwinn IC4. The Schwinn IC4 is a fantastic exercise bike that can compete with the biggest names in home fitness. It is a spin bike with a commercial gym or spin studio look and feel, with an exercise quality to match. This sturdy model has a 40 pounds weighted flywheel and offers 100 micro-adjustable levels of smooth, quiet magnetic resistance. The 100 levels of resistance offer a massive range of difficulty suitable for all fitness levels and rider goals. This connected smart bike has a display for manual workouts, and it can also sync to your device through a Bluetooth connection to work with apps like Peloton, Zwift, JRNY, and explore the world for at-home studio and virtual workouts. A monthly fee is required to use any of these apps, which will likely be worth it for users who want the in-home studio or virtual training experience. We found the IC4 quite comfortable, with ample fit adjustments and a performance-oriented race-style seat. User-friendly features like bottle cages, hand weights, a USB charging port, a Bluetooth heart rate armband, and dual-function SPD cage pedals enhance the user experience. The IC4 is among the most expensive exercise bikes in this review, but it costs less than half the price of the high-end competition. However, if you seek a connected workout experience, you'll want to consider the cost of a monthly or annual subscription to Peloton, Zwift, or Explore the World. It is also worth noting that the speed and distance readings on display are not accurate, and because it is a spin bike, it doesn't provide an accurate power output reading when using Zwift. It works, it's just far from perfect. It has a device holder, but you will need a tablet or smartphone to serve as the display when using the apps or for viewing entertainment. We feel the IC4 is an impressive bike and an excellent choice for the rider seeking the studio cycling experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.